So I've just crossed the road underneath the subway, and on the same wall here you can see the remains of a medieval postern. A postern is a small tower or gate, fortified gate in a wall, and you can see here the remnants of a postern in the London Wall. You can see as well that it's not all ragstone here. Look, we've got what looks to be some form of limestone over here. Possibly they were getting limestone from Portland by this time, but I can't be sure on that, and without access to it I can't tell you. But effectively most of it is ragstone, like you see it elsewhere on the wall.